So my question is how we develop inner peace.
I think, frankly speaking, use our intelligence. Think. The real destroyer of our inner peace is anger. Anger very much related with irritation. These very much related with extreme self-centered attitude. Me, that. So the method in order to reduce self-centered attitude, think of other. Self, your entire exist depend on the rest of your community. So you have to develop respect. You also each community respect. That reduce self-centered attitude. That reduce fear, distrust. That reduce anger. Actually, compassionate mind is realistic mind. Anger is unrealistic mind. So use our intelligence, pros and cons. Then you get more conviction about compassion is really useful, including your own health and your longevity, like that.